Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see the recipe of Soya Chunks Masala. Let's get started. Heat around 2 to 3 cups water in a pan. Add half teaspoon salt. Now add half cup soya chunks. Keep the flame between medium to high and boil these soya chunks for 3 to 4 minutes. This will make the soya chunks soft and tastier. Now drain the soya chunks, that is, remove the excess water, and with the back of your spoon you can squeeze the soya chunks to remove excess water, because at this stage these will be very hot to be squeezed using palms or hand. Let's move to the next step. To your mixer grinder jar, add 1 green chilli, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 medium-sized roughly chopped tomato and 1 medium-sized roughly chopped onion. Grind this to a smooth paste. If required, add a little water, do not add a lot. Heat your kadhai or pan and add oil. First add 1 to 2 spoons of masala, the paste which you prepared. Do not add it all in one go. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. This way you will be able to saute your haldi and masala well, and your paste would not become watery, and after frying the masalas, add the remaining paste. So here I've got some masalas: red chilli powder, coriander powder, kitchen king masala, or you can use bhaji masala or your favorite masala, and this is garam masala. In case you add only garam masala, you can increase its quantity and skip kitchen king, but if you have kitchen king masala, I would suggest that you use it. You can use any brand's masala here. Look at the masala, now the cooked masala. Oh my god, I have said masala so many times in the last minute. I have added the remaining paste. The next step is to cook it. So keep the flame low, add a little water if required, cover this and let it cook till the oil separates on the sides and this gravy, this sauce thickens. Before that, add a little salt as per your taste. Keep stirring this gravy in between so that it does not stick to the base of your pan or kadhai, whatever you are using to cook this. And you would notice that the oil would separate this gravy, the sauce would thicken. The next, add 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. This would add a very nice taste to your curry. Give this a mix and add the boiled soya chunks. After mixing the soya chunks in, add some water. Do not add a lot of water, around half cup. Give this a good mix. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And now comes the final touch, 1 to 2 teaspoon ghee. If you want, you can add butter, but I'm adding ghee. I love ghee, I love butter. I can have a lot of ghee on my dal rice, on my khichdi. I just love it. Let me know in the comment section if you also like ghee. So this is done. The next step is to serve it and enjoy it with either rice, chapati, roti. This dish is packed with protein and it's very tasty. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. And do give this recipe a try and enjoy.